Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the recently reformulated Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. This product retails for $40. Like I said, Glow Recipe has recently reformulated this product. I've been seeing so many skincare brands revisit their old products and finding out that they can reformulate them to be either more effective or more gentle or just change the formulation in general. And so I'm excited to try out this product. I haven't tried their original Watermelon Night Treatment, but I heard so many people loved this product. I'm excited to finally get to try it, and I feel like it's the perfect time since they just reformulated it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlighted ingredients in this product include a pH-balanced AHA complex, 7 weights of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and quinoa peptide. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to Glow Recipe's website. Specifically with this product, since it is an AHA mask, I really want to see if this product causes any sensitivity. That's always a big thing I look for with any AHA product, especially if it's supposed to resurface your skin and work to combat texture and things that are built up on your skin. I know that this product is also supposed to be a little bit more intense because Glow Recipe does recommend only using it about 3 times a week. So that's another thing I'm looking for with this product. How often do I feel like I could use it? The final thing that I'm looking for with this product is what results do I see with it, and also how does it leave my skin feeling? I usually prefer night treatments to be a little bit more hydrating. It does say to use this as the last step in your skincare routine. I'm assuming it's supposed to replace a moisturizer. I may try it both with using a moisturizer and just as the last treatment in my skincare routine. I know sometimes products cannot deliver enough hydration if I don't do that. I'll just be wanting to see how this product makes my skin feel and also just what results I see with it. As for anything else of this product, I will be continuing to do check-ins. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product and also use it for the first time on camera. It is also 5 a.m., so I do apologize if I sound a little bit off. I shouldn't be up this late, but here we are. So anyway, I haven't used the product yet. This will be my very first impression of this product. I am very excited because it is a night treatment. I haven't used a ton of night treatments. I didn't use any crazy actives before this. If you are newer to using skincare actives, I would recommend just going in with this product. I think the simple routine that they recommend is to go in with a cleanser. I would do a double cleanse at night and then go in with a gentle treatment or a hydration serum or just something very gentle and then go in with this product. I wouldn't recommend getting too crazy with it. I'm using this as the very last step. Also, I feel like this just comes as a given. Top tier packaging, as always. Glow Recipe never misses. Also, I purchased this product whenever they were giving out these spatulas with it, so I will be using that to apply this product. So just kind of a texture of this product. I'm going to kind of show you just a little bit. So it does have a little bit of a sticky feel to it. It does seem very moisturizing and it does seem very light. So let me just go ahead and apply some. This is a very moisturizing product. I am very impressed by how much hydration it's delivering to my skin right now. It doesn't sting whatsoever, and it doesn't feel like I just put an active on my skin. It does feel fairly gentle. I am experiencing just a little bit of sensitivity down here. I am very sensitive on my chin, but overall it feels really nice. My skin feels very hydrated. It feels like it just took a drink of water. It feels really nice, and I feel like that hydration is just undefeated. You can really tell that they have a lot of hydrating ingredients in this product. That's about all I can tell you. I will continue to use it and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I am back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I do feel like that this mask did deliver some subtle changes to my hyperpigmentation, but what I really feel like it did amazing at was my texture. I have noticed such a huge difference in my texture, and I feel like it was the perfect time for me to try it. During these past few weeks, I have really been struggling with texture, specifically around my nose and around this area of my face right here. This mask really corrected that, and I feel like it worked really well and really fast to do that. On the other side of that, I do feel like this is a very intense product. Make sure you follow the brand's instructions on this. It is a very hydrating form of an alpha hydroxy acid, but it is still an AHA, and it is still an active and a very potent one at that. I wouldn't recommend mixing this with any actives, specifically if you do have more sensitive skin. I do feel like that this is a gentle AHA treatment for sensitive skin, but I did notice some initial stinging and burning. The first couple of times that I used it, I only used it 3 times a week. I found that was perfect for me, and I didn't combine it with any big acids or actives that would cause irritation on my skin. I use this as the last step in my skincare routine, and even though it was very hydrating, I found that I personally preferred to apply a lightweight moisturizer before. I actually found that it was a little bit more gentle when I did that, and I felt like it was perfect when I would use just a lightweight gel cream or a water cream. It felt amazing on the skin after I got past that initial stinging and sensitivity. This product is potent, and so with that being said, sensitive skin, be very careful with this if you do decide to go for this product. It is a very strong product. I mean, it did wonders for my texture. I'm not exactly sure. Hyperpigmentation does take a little bit longer to show results in. I also did not find myself using very much of this product. It does spread very nicely. It is a very hydrating product, but like I said, I did prefer just a little bit of a lightweight moisturizer under it. I would 100% recommend trying it out, especially if you have a lot of texture on your skin. This did wonders for mine, and I feel like that is what this product did best. It was also a very hydrating product. If you are able to tolerate a little bit more of a potent AHA product, then I feel like this product will be great for you. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.